Good morning, judges. We team Keyboard Crackers present to you our idea for a better world. The problem statement we chose was student study materials such as books, calculators, and laptops are very expensive. Not only this, they aren't even used after the semester ends. These products increase the burden on the environment if they go unchecked, and they pollute the environment. A lot of resources are needed to recycle such gadgets. To save the already depleting resources, cut the waste generated, and decrease the initial cost of study materials, we bring to you an efficient and smart solution, Thapa eMart.
Here, I tell you about Thapa eMart. As students, we need a lot of tools to work. Most of them aren't used again after the semester ends. So here we bring you Thapa eMart, which is a platform which provides you to buy and sell products. You can list the items you want to sell. The buyer will come across your listing and will contact you by the email ID provided. Then you can arrange a meeting with the buyer and work things out. There will be no third party involvement in the payment or in the conversation. This will help solve the problem of discarding equipments which will never be used again. Example, a drafter, your notes, old laptops, or wrong bought items, etc. Now, here I would especially like to thank Savo Labs by whom we are able to build an authentication system without much difficulties. This is a main dashboard where user can see the products he wants to buy. And now Bakul will show you how easy it is to, to sell your products on a website. You just have to give its name, its price, and a little bit of description. And yes, you have to upload 4 images of your product. As there is showed, you have to upload 4 images, otherwise it won't get accepted. Now here, if you want to buy a product, you can see its images, and if you are satisfied with the price, you can directly mail to the user and its email ID would be opened and you can contact him further. And you can easily log out as well.
Coming up to the tech stack that we use to build this beautiful website, we have fully used MERN stack. For the front end part, we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the backend part, we are using Node.js with Express.js as our framework. We are also using MongoDB for our database. At the end, we are using EJS as a view engine. Now, coming to the future scope of our project, we want to further prepare a chat feature which will enhance the user experience. A chatbot implementation will help our site by providing the necessary features, including the personalized search feature, solving doubts, etc. We are starting this initiative from our own college and will be further shifting to other colleges also. We also want to prepare a secure window for payment so that users can directly make transactions from the website itself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.